So, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So it's been a long time. I have not put any video in my channel, and it's been a long time, I know. And I have already made a Discord channel for those who are having many doubts on how to download and all stuff. And from my previous video, I know I have already given my answers for the questions that has been asked in my comment section. So, and today I'm going to show you how to download. I'm not going to show you, but I'm going to tell you how to download rdr2 from the website. I have already given my title, and this is not a clickbait and all. This is 100% working, and this is 100% real. So basically you have to note 2 points. That is, you should have uTorrent in your PC, and also you should turn off your antivirus while you download and when you try to install. So to know how to install the game and all, I will give the link for my Discord, and you just join the Discord and you will get the video link, because I can't put the video completely in this YouTube. If you want to know how to install, and I can make a video about that, but for those who are asking how to download the game from that site and all, that's why I'm making it like a short video for you all, so that you'll able to understand. So that's all. So just keep in mind, you should have uTorrent and turn off your antivirus before installing. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just comment down my Discord or just comment down below this video, and I will make sure that I will give the 100% to you all, so that you will be able to play the game for free. And so enjoy the game and enjoy the gameplay. So bye guys, see you.
Done here. If I don't get these shackles off soon, I'm goner. Please.
This is crazy.
Just shoot the shackles. One bullet, that's all. Whoa, hey! Jesus. Just point.
There you go.
Oh, thank God. Oh, well, I've waited to hear that noise for so long.
Yeah,
I can't give you more than my thanks. But you surely have that, mister.
I'll take it.